What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the Postmates promo code. I'll walk you through the tutorial and where you need to go to get the coupon codes. It takes just a few minutes, and you can do it using your mobile phone. It's so easy, guys. How to get Postmates coupon code? It's really simple. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. Head over to this website, like me. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in Postmates. Look for the page labeled Postmates Discount Codes. Click on it, scroll down, and you'll find a Postmates promo code. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. The last step to unlock the Postmates promo code is verification those sponsor games. Make sure you come onto a mobile device in order to do this, as it will not work on your PC. Keep in mind that these codes are limited, so you'll need to unlock your personal code. This step prevents others from stealing the codes. It's pretty easy. Take your time, guys, and enjoy your Postmates promo code. See you next time. Peace.